Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 tablet. During Amazon Great Indian Festival, many people have bought this tablet at around 33,000 rupees or less. But currently the price of this tablet is very high. So if you want to buy this tablet right now, I would rather request you not to buy this tablet right now. Because if you wait for the right offers, you will definitely get discounts on this tablet, but you will not get discounts from Flipkart.com because Amazon sells this tablet at a discounted price. So to get the best discount, you have to buy this tablet from Amazon.in, and the best price for this tablet right now would be around 31 to 33,000 rupees. Tab S9 is a very good tablet with AMOLED display, Snapdragon processor and very good experience, be it multitasking, writing or any other activities. As this tablet comes with AMOLED display, you will get great viewing experience and multimedia consumption will be excellent on this tablet. With this tablet, you will get S Pen in the box, and using the S Pen, you can do a lot of productive tasks like writing, drawing, taking screenshot, writing on the screenshot, or many other activities. Latency from the S Pen is negligible and you will have a great writing experience. Plus, Samsung Note app is very feature rich, so you don't have to buy any other third-party app for writing. As AMOLED display consumes less battery, you will get enough battery from Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Direct competitor of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is iPad 11th generation right now. The processor on iPad 11th generation is more powerful than Tab S9. So if you are planning to buy any iPad, in that case iPad 11th generation would be better. Otherwise, if you want to buy any Android tablet, in that case you can definitely buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. But everything is not good on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. In the case of updates, you will not get more future updates. Only 1 or 2 updates are available right now. So if you are someone who likes to update his tablet, in that case this tablet is not for you. Now the question arises when you will get offers on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. I think in the Republic Day sale, or maybe if you are lucky in the Christmas sale, you can get discounts on this tablet. Only if you get this tablet under 33,000, in that case you can buy. Otherwise you should wait for another sale. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this tablet or not. I think this is a great tablet to buy. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.